How to download your Facebook data. Open Facebook application. Tap on the three lines that you can see at top left corner of your screen. Tap on the option Settings and Privacy. Tap on the option Settings. Tap on the option Account Center that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option Your Information and Permissions. You can access your information from here. Tap on the option Export Your Information. Once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the option Create Export. Choose a profile. Tap on your Facebook profile. Now you need to choose where to export. You can tap on the option Device or External Service. I'm just going to export to my device. Once you do that, what you have to do is confirm your export. You can see various options over here. You can also customize the information by tapping on the option Customize Information. Now you can simply select the informations that you would like to export. Tap on the option Save. Once you do that, you can also select the date range, format and media quality according to your choice. Tap on the option Start Export that you can see on the screen. Now for security reason, you'll have to enter your password. Once you do that, tap on the option Continue. After that, the export will be started. Simply exercise your patience. You'll be notified via the email. From that email, you'll be able to download the exported informations. Like this, you can download Facebook data. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.